Hello and welcome. It's Peg for Gina B. Aaron's design team. And this month our challenge was to do something with sparkle and dimension and, glittery stuff. So I have this stencil and mask from Gina. I think this is really cool because you get both the stencil and the mask. And I'm going to use the stencil here and this glittery metallic paste through the stencil to get my page started. I'm working in one of these black Delusions journals. I've kind of been fascinated with the black page of late, and these shimmery things show up pretty darn well on that black page. So you can see I'm just checking it. Because I've got a crease in the middle there, it's going to be a little bit difficult to go over the crease, but I'm up for the challenge, so I just keep applying the paste with my sponge applicator that comes in the container. And then I'm going to grab a brush and touch up those areas that didn't quite work because of the seam on my page here. Just, filling in using a brush. You can do that. If you don't like the way it turned out with the sponge, use a brush. So I've got some other stencils from Gina. If you haven't been to Etsy and looked at her store, she has some awesome stencils. This one I absolutely love. And you can tell that this star one is well loved and worn just by the layers of stuff that I've got on there. But I'm going to, put some stars in the sky here. Filling in some of the background with that same paste. So if you use my code, which is PEG15 in the store, you get a 15% discount. So use the code, folks. If you're going to go to Etsy and shop Gina B. Aaron's, you can get a 15% discount. So I'm just continuing to add more of those stars to the background. I'm going to put some words and things in. Going to come up with some more glittery paste here to add to this, and I'm going to speed things along so that you can see how this page develops.